All right, if you are wanting to convert between mixed numbers and decimals, what you're going to do is, let's say that you have 5 7/8, and you want that to be a decimal. What you're going to do is you're going to go in, you're going to hit on your calculator the green alpha button, y equals, and then since it's a mixed number, you're going to go down to the number 2 and hit enter. This gives you 3 boxes now to plug in numbers. So 5, I'm going to hit my arrow to the right, put in the 7, down arrow to put in 8. And again, I'm going to hit to the right to move my cursor. I want this to become a decimal, so I'm going to hit math, go down to decimal, hit enter. This tells me that this mixed number is going to become a decimal. Hit enter, 5.875. So equals 5.875. Now notice your whole numbers are the same. So another way you can do this is if I have 5 7/8, I can already keep the whole number. I know it's going to be 5 point something. So after I've dealt with the 5, I can just focus on the 7/8. That goes back to, it's just a regular fraction. I can just do 7 divided by 8. 0.875. I'm just going to add that at the end. So I've got the 5 plus the 0.875 that I had from before. Now that's your mixed numbers to your decimals. If, I guess I'll go ahead and tell you all the other way around. If you have the decimal, we'll use the same one. Sorry for that long pause earlier. If I have 5.875 and I want to turn it into a mixed number, what you're going to do is you're going to go into math. You want it to be a fraction. This tells me it's going to turn it into a fraction. What it's going to give you is called an improper fraction. So we have 47/8. You need to change that into a mixed number. So you're going to hit alpha, y equals, and right here on number 3, it shows that a fraction is going to become a mixed number. So we're going to hit enter. This is saying that we're taking our previous answer, which was the 47/8, and we're turning it into a mixed number. And that'll give you your 5 7/8. What you can also do, just like we did before, if you see that you have the 5 as your whole number, you already know that the mixed number is going to be 5 something. So we can just focus on the 0.875, hit math. We want it to be a fraction, and it's 7/8. You already have the whole number, just add the 7/8 to it. And that's how you deal with your mixed numbers.